The first phase is the stimulation of the ovaries of the lady. So it takes for about 10 to 12 days to stimulate the woman's ovaries to produce many eggs. At the end of this period, then we plan to collect the eggs from the woman, and we take them under anesthesia, the eggs from the woman's ovaries. We take the eggs to the laboratory, and also on the same day we take the sperm of the husband, and then we fertilize eggs with husband's sperm. And after the fertilization, we monitor the embryos every day, their development, their division. Generally, we put back the embryos 3 or 5 days after the collection of the eggs, and we transfer the embryos back into the uterus of the lady. And then we wait for 10 to 12 days to see if the pregnancy will happen. So basically, this is the whole process of an IVF treatment.